Hello everyone. So today's colors are, I will be using Amsterdam Persian Blue Phthalo with as a base coat, and I have diluted it with white to make it a lighter color. This I will be using half and half, and then I'll be using Artist Loft Ultramarine Blue, Artist Loft Copper, and I'm also thinking of adding Burnt Sienna and Folk Art Gold and Folk Art Sunny Yellow. Alright, so let's begin. I hope you can see I did not move you. So what should we do? Let's just put this right like this. Let's make some lines. Let's do it. But we don't have to put too much, just enough. To cover the canvas. I don't like to waste paint. I'm sure nobody does. They're very expensive, first of all. So even though this is a hobby, it is so much
relaxing to watch
as well as to do. But at the same time, this is kind of expensive. So I try to find ways to perfect my technique with cheaper options, and then go for the final piece with the right thing. So basically I'm covering this one up. Start the lighter portion. What I did was just same Prussian blue, added a lot of white to it to give some light and dark areas. Starting with the Folk Art titanium white. It seems as if I forgot to tell you that. And then ultramarine blue. This steel I made by using light green. I made by using teal and sunny yellow from Folk Art. The same Prussian blue, I'm adding a little here. Little bit of white on this side, light Prussian blue. always do that. Can't stop myself. I think this is just too much. Okay, we will see. I don't like that this is until here, so I am adding more to make some space here. So, and same thing here. I don't want it this big. Let's see what I can do. Without adding too much, to add the negative space right here. Frankly speaking, I don't know how to fix it, but I'm trying. Okay, because there is no standard procedure to fix it, but the only thing we can do is try. I think I am done right here. I don't want to add anything else. You know what? I'm saying I'm done. Now I'm restricting myself that I should not add anything, but I think it needs a stem, right? Like a main binding stem. What do you think? So let me know. Let me bring you down. So here's the close-up. I have this overhead light in my basement, and I don't know how to get rid of its reflection. If I don't have light, then I can't see. But if I have it, it just reflects in my piece. I hope you can see all the shimmer and all the blend of colors. I like this. Let me know what do you think of it. Please, if you like it, I would request you like and subscribe to this channel. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.